Picture this. You arrive home after a long day, settle into your favorite chair, and reach for a handful of nuts thinking you are doing something great for your health. You feel good about this choice because everyone says nuts are healthy, right? But then something strange happens during the night. You find yourself getting up multiple times to use the bathroom, disrupting your sleep and leaving you tired the next morning. What most men over 50 do not realize is that not all nuts are created equal when it comes to prostate health. Some varieties can actually support your prostate function and reduce inflammation throughout your body. Others, especially the processed and flavored versions, can make urinary symptoms worse and increase nighttime bathroom trips. The difference lies in how these nuts are prepared and which specific types you choose to consume regularly. My name is Dr. Isabel Lopez, and I specialize in men's health with over 15 years of experience helping patients improve their quality of life. I have seen countless men struggle with prostate issues that could be improved with simple dietary changes. Today I want to share something that could transform how you think about this common snack. Before we dive deeper, I would love to know where you are watching from. So please comment your city below and follow the channel for more health insights. The truth is that the wrong nuts can sabotage your prostate health, while the right ones can become powerful allies in your wellness journey. In the next few minutes, I will reveal 4 nuts that are secretly harming your prostate and 4 that can actually help improve your symptoms. You might be surprised to discover that some nuts you consider healthy are actually working against you. But first, let me explain why nuts have such a profound impact on your prostate function. Nuts contain a complex mixture of fats, proteins, minerals, and other compounds that directly influence inflammation levels in your body. When your prostate becomes inflamed, it puts pressure on your urethra and bladder, leading to those frustrating symptoms you experience. The healthy fats in certain nuts can help reduce this inflammation and support normal prostate function. However, the way nuts are processed can completely change their impact on your health. The problem starts when food manufacturers add salt, sugar, oils, and other additives to make nuts more appealing to consumers. These additions transform what could be a healing food into something that promotes inflammation throughout your body. Excess sodium causes your body to retain water, putting additional pressure on your bladder and increasing nighttime urination. Refined oils and added sugars trigger inflammatory pathways that can worsen prostate symptoms and make you feel worse overall. Your prostate is particularly sensitive to inflammatory foods because it relies on proper blood flow and hormonal balance to function correctly. When you consume processed nuts regularly, you create a state of chronic low-grade inflammation that affects not just your prostate but your entire cardiovascular system. This inflammation can lead to enlarged prostate tissue, increased urgency, weak urine flow, and those middle-of-the-night bathroom trips that steal your rest. The good news is that making the right nut choices can help reverse many of these problems. Understanding which nuts help and which ones hurt is crucial for any man who wants to take control of his prostate health naturally. The 4 nuts I am about to reveal as problematic might shock you because they are often marketed as healthy options. But knowledge is power, and once you know what to avoid, you can make choices that support your body instead of working against it. Let me start with the 4 nuts that could be sabotaging your prostate health right now. Number 4 on my list of problematic nuts is salted peanuts, which many men consume without thinking about the consequences. The high sodium content in these popular snacks causes your body to retain excess fluid, leading to increased pressure on your bladder. This extra fluid retention means more frequent urination, especially at night when you should be getting restorative sleep. Most salted peanuts are also fried in inflammatory oils that can worsen prostate symptoms over time. Number 3 is Brazil nuts consumed in excess, and this might surprise you because these nuts contain beneficial selenium. However, too much selenium can actually become toxic and disrupt your hormonal balance, potentially making prostate problems worse. The safe amount is just 1 to 2 Brazil nuts per day, but most men eat far more than this recommended portion. Stick with me until the end because I will show you exactly how to get the benefits without the risks. Number 2 on my avoid list is caramelized or sugar-coated almonds, which are often found in snack mixes and gift packages. The added sugar creates inflammation throughout your body and can contribute to weight gain, which puts additional pressure on your prostate. These sweet versions also spike your blood sugar levels, creating metabolic stress that affects your entire urinary system. Even though plain almonds can be beneficial, the sugary versions work directly against your prostate health. The number one worst nut choice for your prostate is industrial nut mixes that seem healthy but contain hidden inflammatory ingredients. These convenience products typically include refined vegetable oils, excess salt, and various additives that promote inflammation in your body. They might look like a healthy snack option, but they are actually working against your prostate health with every handful you consume. Now that you know what to avoid, let me share the 4 nuts that can actually help improve your prostate function. Number 4 on my recommended list is unsalted pistachios, which provide high-quality plant protein without the inflammatory additives found in processed versions. These nuts contain healthy fats that support cardiovascular health and help maintain proper blood flow to your prostate gland. The protein content helps stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the day, preventing the spikes that can worsen urinary symptoms. Choose raw or dry roasted pistachios without any salt or oil coating for the best results. Number 3 is natural cashews, which are rich in zinc, an essential mineral for prostate health that many men are deficient in. Zinc plays a crucial role in maintaining normal prostate size and function, and cashews provide this mineral in an easily absorbed form. A small handful of 20 to 30 grams provides significant nutritional benefits without overloading your system. These creamy nuts also contain magnesium, which helps relax smooth muscle tissue and can improve urine flow. Number 2 on my beneficial list is plain almonds, which contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation throughout your body. This vitamin specifically helps protect prostate tissue from oxidative damage that can contribute to enlargement and dysfunction. Almonds also provide fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports overall metabolic health. Choose raw or lightly toasted almonds without any added oils, salt, or flavorings for maximum benefit. The number 1 best nut for your prostate health is walnuts, which contain omega-3 fatty acids that act as natural anti-inflammatory compounds in your body. Research studies have shown that men who regularly consume walnuts have better prostate health markers and fewer urinary symptoms. 4 to 5 walnut halves per day provide the optimal amount of these beneficial fats without excess calories. These powerful nuts also support brain health and cardiovascular function, giving you multiple benefits from one simple food choice. Creating a practical daily routine with the right nuts is easier than you might think and can make a significant difference in your symptoms. Start by eliminating any nuts that contain added salt, sugar, or oils from your pantry and replace them with natural versions. Keep a small container of mixed beneficial nuts including walnuts, almonds, unsalted pistachios, and a few cashews ready for snacking. This simple preparation step removes temptation and makes healthy choices automatic throughout your day. Use your daily nut portion as an afternoon snack when your energy typically dips, rather than reaching for processed foods or sugary treats. You can also sprinkle chopped nuts over salads to add texture and nutrition to your meals. Another great option is combining your nuts with unsweetened dried fruit like cranberries or apricots for natural sweetness without added sugars. This creates a satisfying snack that supports your prostate health while keeping you energized. The golden rule for nut consumption is keeping things as simple and natural as possible, avoiding any product with a long ingredient list. Aim for 1 small handful per day, which equals about 28 grams or roughly 24 almonds, 18 cashews, or 14 walnut halves. You can rotate between different beneficial nuts throughout the week to get a variety of nutrients and prevent boredom. Remember that consistency matters more than perfection, so focus on making better choices most of the time rather than being perfect every day. These small dietary changes can lead to noticeable improvements in your urinary symptoms within a few weeks of consistent implementation. Many of my patients report sleeping better, having stronger urine flow, and feeling more energetic once they optimize their nut consumption. The key is being patient and consistent while your body responds to these anti-inflammatory foods. But nuts are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to supporting your prostate naturally through nutrition. Join the Members Club and drop a super like if this information is helping you understand how food choices directly impact your prostate health. The connection between what you eat and how you feel is more powerful than most men realize, especially when it comes to prostate function. Making these simple switches from inflammatory nuts to beneficial ones can reduce your symptoms and improve your quality of life significantly. Small changes in your daily routine can compound over time to create dramatic improvements in how you feel and function. The right nuts provide natural anti-inflammatory compounds, essential minerals, and healthy fats that your prostate needs to function optimally throughout your life. By avoiding the processed versions loaded with salt, sugar, and inflammatory oils, you eliminate foods that actively work against your health goals. Instead, you fuel your body with nutrients that support proper hormone production, reduce inflammation, and maintain healthy blood flow to all your organs. This approach addresses the root causes of prostate problems rather than just managing symptoms. I want to hear from you about your experience with nuts and prostate health, so please share in the comments which nuts you consume most often. Have you noticed any connection between your diet and your urinary symptoms or energy levels throughout the day? Your experiences can help other men who are dealing with similar challenges and looking for natural solutions. Please take a moment to like this video and share it with any man in your life who could benefit from this information. In my next video, I will reveal 4 common spices that are secretly harming your prostate and 4 powerful seasonings that can actually help reduce inflammation and improve your symptoms. You will be surprised to learn that some spices you use daily might be making your problems worse, while others sitting in your spice cabinet could be the key to better prostate health. Make sure you subscribe with notifications turned on so you do not miss these crucial insights that could change how you approach prostate care naturally.